how to fix Geo video call and voice call not working problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, if you are facing this problem, okay, voice call and video call not working problem in your Geo sim, okay, or your Jio SIM card. So if you are facing voice call and video call problem, then how you can fix this problem in this video, I'm going to tell you the solution, and after doing the solution guys, your problem will be definitely fixed. Okay, many of the times we face this kind of problem because of our SIM, okay, and many times we face this problem because of our phone. So we need to fix the problem in both. Okay, so we have to fix the problem in both, and then guys, the problem will be fixed. Okay, both means your sim and mobile. Okay, you have to fix the problem in both the things, and then guys, problem will be solved. If you are willing to fix the problem, just stay tuned with the video and watch whatever I'm going to show you here, and follow whatever I'm going to show you. Okay, so just do it, and then problem will be fixed. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's start the video without wasting any more time. So guys, at the first, okay, what you have to do here, so guys, make sure to have a recharge on your sim. Okay, this is the main this is very main, so you have to know that. Okay, so make sure to have a recharge, and then guys, if you don't have recharge, then guys, you cannot do video call, voice call, anything. Okay, so make sure to have a recharge on your sim card, and then guys, check your network connection. So if you are facing network connection, then guys, go to the setting, go to sim card. Okay, sim card and mobile networks, and then click on your sim, and then guys, enable the vault. Okay, enable the vault, go to preferred network type, select the network type. Okay, here you have to select the prefer light. Okay, because Geo support 4G, so you have to select the 4G. Or guys, if your network is not good, then guys, select on 2G once, and then guys, select back to the 4G. Okay, just to refresh your network. And you can go to mobile network as well. If you turn off this, you can select network manually, or you can select network automatically. It is your choice. Okay, if network is not good, you can do this process, and then guys, go back, scroll it down, go to connection and sharing, and then guys, you have to go here, reset Wi-Fi mobile networks. So you have to reset the network setting. Click on the reset setting, and then guys, you will get the option here. So reset all network setting, click OK, and then guys, go back. And now what you have to do is, you have to scroll down, and you have to go on your apps. Okay, apps, and then go to manage apps, manage app, or you may find here install apps. And then guys, here you have to find out some uh, settings, okay, which I'll show you after the loading gets completed. So as you can see, the loading is going on, so we have to wait for the loading. And now guys, it is done. So just scroll down and search for the phone service, because your voice call is not working. Okay, voice call and video call. So firstly, you have to click on force stop. Okay, and then guys, you have to click on the clear data. After clearing the data, just go back, scroll up, go to camera. Okay, camera. So you have to do the same process out here. Click on the force stop, and then guys, click on the clear data. And after clearing the data from here, you have to go to app permissions, and you need to allow the permissions. Okay, after allowing all the permission guys, just go back and restart your device once, and after that, your problem is fixed. Okay, so that's it guys, the solution is done. After doing all the process, your problem will definitely fixed. So if your problem is also fixed, then guys, your job is done. Okay, and if you face this kind of problem in future, then guys, just contact your customer care. They will tell you why this problem is occurring. You can call 198 or 121, any of the number. You can talk to the customer service. Okay, so guys, this is how you can fix the Geo voice call and video call not working problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.